Alright guys, to use Veo 3 AI we'll need to do the following. The first step is to go to Google and search for Veo 3, and click here. Once inside, click on Try in Flow. Then click on Create with Flow. Next, click on New Project. And here we'll have the option to choose between text to video, frames to video, or even ingredients to video. Then, we simply enter the prompt and the AI will automatically start generating the instructions. As you can see, I don't have the subscription. So if this shows up for you, you don't either. To fix that, we'll go to the following website. Once there, we log in with Google and scroll down. As we can see, there are two plans, Google AI Pro and Google AI Ultra. To use Veo 3, we'll need to choose the Google AI Ultra plan. Unfortunately, it's not available for free yet, but as soon as it is, I'll bring a video to the channel. So, that's it. Thanks for watching.